lovely peoples. Hope you guys are doing really well. I hope my angle is okay because I've been just so awkward lately and I feel like my camera angle is just a little bit wonky. But let's get this video started. Hello my lovely peoples, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. As you can see, I'm wearing my favorite piece of jewelry. I know you guys must be tired of seeing this, but you know what? I like it. Okay? I do. I like it. And it is so versatile. You can wear this for just about anything. Anything. I'm wearing a blue velvet dress today and it goes really well with this. Looks really nice and I got this from either Boohoo or ASOS. Check them out and see if they still have this available. And so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my summer wardrobe. Summer is so short-lived. Oh my God. If you are somebody who lives in a country where it's hot 365 days a year, I'm jealous and I want to be there, okay? But for some of us who are in North America, we have to maximize our summer days because summer is so short. By the time June is over, it's basically done. So I don't do a lot of shopping when it comes to summer because, like I said, it's such a short time of the year. So I want to share with you guys some of the key pieces that I would be incorporating into my wardrobe this summer, keeping it simple, keeping it really light. You're going to see some of these things on and we are just going to get started. And here we are. We are going to start with this purple shirt. I mentioned to you guys before that I am adding color to my wardrobe this summer, and I mean it. So we are gonna start with this beautiful purple, lilac, periwinkle, whatever you call it. I'm just gonna pull back a little so you guys can see the full length of this shirt. Again, you're gonna see this on. I love the color. Periwinkle purple, lilac looks so beautiful on dark skin. And I love the sleeves. As you can see, it's nicely fluffed, almost like a bell sleeve with a beautiful tie right there. Beautiful, gorgeous pockets. There's no pockets on here. Beautiful, gorgeous buttons and a little bit of a gathering on the shoulder. Really nice. Slightly pleated a little bit to the back. It's just lovely. You can tuck this into a jeans or leggings and it's going to look fabulous. As you can see it on right now. Love this. Very lightweight. It's not a see-through fabric. You can wear this with jeans. I'm wearing black right now, as you guys can see in the video, so the color can really pop out at you guys, and it's so pretty, so beautiful. And again, I love wearing these kind of colors because it really helps to enhance your skin tone, especially if you are dark skin. It's quite lovely. And lilac, you can wear this color with anything. I would say white, black of course, a nice light blue, like a washed out blue denim. You can even go with something yellow with this because I saw someone wearing yellow and purple the other day and you know, she looks so pretty. Just when you think colors can't really go together, they can definitely match. This is very pretty. I've worn this before to work. Lots of compliments on this shirt. I absolutely love it. It's going to look really nice for the summer. And of course, you know, we have sometimes those really hot summer days. And although this is long sleeve, look at that. And it's going to keep you nice and warm, nice and comfy. Next, I do have this beautiful black and white top. I adore this top so much. This is my favorite. This is, and again, the sleeve has a little bit of the same detail. It has like a bell sleeve kind of thing happening right here with a bow tie, and there is a button. You can just button this as well if you want to just do that and leave the little string here loose. Love it. I love the details of this shirt. And let me come a little close to show you guys, okay? You can leave the front open or you can tie it, okay? You have this beautiful gathering just to the front. You may not be able to see it because, you know, you just may not be able to see it. If you do, that's fine. A little bit of gathering right around the sleeves as well. This is what I've been looking for in fashions for this summer. Beautiful gathering to the back, and of course you can see the black and white detail falls really nicely. It doesn't go all over the place. This is what makes this fabric so unique, and this top so unique as well. The fabric actually flows nicely down to the back, down to the sleeves. even to the front, and it looks really pretty. And this is one of those tops that flows away from the body. So let's just say you out and plus 32 degrees. I mean, you can still wear this shirt. Your arms are going to be nicely covered. You're not going to have sunburn. And this basically flows away from you. So if you want to hide little bulges, if you just had like a big lunch or something, this is a perfect shirt for you. It just basically swings nicely, and this is going to look superb with a boot cut pair of pants or leggings. It's going to look wonderful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this. Great for the summertime. And this one here, I don't even know how to begin to describe this shirt, but I am definitely in love with this one, okay? I mean, look at the color. This is like an orange color. And this shirt has so many details, I can't even begin to tell you. You have this beautiful tie front right here. And what makes this shirt so unique, it has hook and eyes. It doesn't have any buttons. Okay, you have hook and eyes right there. I hope you guys can see that. And I got this from River Island, and this is a size 14. This was 36 pounds. I've had this in my collection for a very long time. I always meant to show you guys. The back flows nicely. It feels like it's a silk and linen at the same time, but it's a beautiful fabric. You can just wear like a bralette or like a tank top and leave this open with this beautiful tie. It's going to look so sexy. And again, colors. Colors I'm adding to my wardrobe this summer. Colors are absolutely amazing. This is a beautiful, gorgeous shirt. Again, long sleeve, and you do have the elastic to the end right here, which makes it so beautiful and sexy and gorgeous. And I'm just putting this against my skin. It looks so pretty. My favorite, and I thought, you know, I think they had the black one to this and maybe a purple, but I thought, you know what, with this style, I need this color. This is very pretty, and of course to the side you do have a little bit of a gathering right here, which make this this top so beautiful and special and unique. I can't wait to see who is going to compliment me wearing this beautiful shirt. I am not quite sure which one is my favorite, but I have a feeling this is my favorite. This is probably going to be my yellow, or not yellow, but this is orange, my staple in my wardrobe. I love it. It's pretty lightweight, and again, you can wear these in the hottest day in the summer and you are still going to feel cool. You're going to have that breeze running through your body because again, it's like hook and eye to the front. You can just get a bralette or a tank top, or if you dare, just a black bra, which would be really nice as well, and you just keep it looking sexy. If you want to go to movies, a theater, a date night, anything you want, this is absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And of course, you just want to be able to have a typical pair of leggings. Leggings are always, you know, in style, in fashion. You know, you always have like one pair of leggings or maybe two to mix and match for the summer season. Okay, this is just a pair of leggings. And of course, I want to be able to incorporate a skirt, and this is like a pencil skirt, but it is a beautiful fabric as well, and just a typical black skirt, black legging will be fine. And you can just put a tank top with this with a shirt over, or you can just wear like a light jacket or maybe one of those shirts as well. It can go perfect with this. It is absolutely stunning. Look at that, how gorgeous this is. And it's not very thick. It's a beautiful light fabric, and it fits just below the knee, I think, and it's going to look so pretty this summer with just a tank top and a scarf over your shoulder, or just a light jacket, or anything you want. These are just basically simple staples for the summer. You don't have to go too wild with your shopping. And of course, this is a beautiful black dress. You want to be able to have a simple black dress in the wardrobe as well for the summer, just in case you want to go from work to evening, if you want to hang out with your friends. And I love this dress, I do, because it has a beautiful, if I can show you guys this, it has a nice, let me just bring the fabric up close to you. It has like a little frill detail all the way down, and to the bottom has this beautiful frill detail. It's just so pretty, and it's like a whole tabak. When I turn around in the video, you guys are gonna see. I know I'm just wearing my bra and it looked really awful, but just so you guys can see the, you know, the detail of this dress is very, very pretty. You might not be able to see it on camera, but it's like a halter bag, which is really nice. And again, a hot summer day, you're going out with your friends and whatever the case may be, you can just put this on. It's gonna look really, really lovely. And last but not least, I am going to share with you guys these beautiful pair of red mule sandals. Look at these beautiful babies, guys. They are so cute, so gorgeous. Let me bring this close so you can see. Absolutely stunning. The cushion part of these sandals are so soft. Look at that. This is nice and soft and velvety. It's a velvet material. And it fits so comfortable, guys. The heel is not very high. So cute, so gorgeous. I cannot begin to tell you the multiple ways you can dress this up. You can go from day to night. You can go weddings and parties and dinners and anything you want. Take them on a cruise. You know, hopefully we're going to be getting back to our holidays this summer. This is going to be absolutely great, and these are going to be my everyday sandals for the summer. Again, dress them up, dress them down, jeans, dress, pencil skirt. You can wear these with crop leggings, crop pants. You can wear these with skirts, short skirts, mini skirts. You can dress them up however you want. They are absolutely gorgeous. So these are some of the beautiful things I'm adding to my collection for the summer to look very simple, classic, elegant, presentable, because you know, when I leave my house, I want to be able to feel comfortable knowing that I'm dressed properly, not for anyone's sake, but that I feel confident within myself, the way that I dress. And I'm going to link the sandals haul for you guys in the cards so you can check it out. And these are going to be my everyday summer sandals. Again, I don't do a lot of shopping for the summer because it's so short-lived, but I want to be able to have simple, classic, beautiful, gorgeous pieces so I can wear for the summer. These are absolutely gorgeous. Love them so much. And on that note, this is the end of today's video, and I do hope you guys enjoy. Please let me know which one of these are your favorites, and I'm going to leave whatever I can in the description box for you guys. If you cannot find the things that I do have, you can buy things that are similar to these, okay? So I thank you guys so much for watching. I would love to hear your thoughts in the description box below. Sound off, not a problem. I would love to hear your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Toodles!